March 21st was proclaimed by United Nations General Assembly as International Day of Forest, or commonly called World Forest Day. This day really, of course, obviously raises the focus of the importance of our forests, but also challenges countries, or it operates with the expectations that countries would really create their own peculiar and special national campaigns, not only to plant trees, but to educate the population about the importance of having vibrant or healthy, thriving forestry sectors. This year's theme focuses on restoration and well-being. And with that in mind, of course, we chose to plant breadfruit trees. Breadfruit trees carry its own peculiar story. Of course, we focus on household or community food and nutrition security, its availability and access, and also it focuses, really, this project focuses, as we did just last week, at planting as a community effort. This effort here is, of course, in partnership with several groups that includes farmer organizations and civil society organizations. And the purpose here is really to expose the diversity of the food basket and, of course, enable the beneficiaries of these trees to earn some form of a livelihood or income generation as a farming enterprise. In the years to come, we also have a lot of youths who are volunteering in this effort to assist in planting trees, and they are among several people here who would introduce urban youths. We have a lot of them from St. James and other places, learning not only parts of our country, but also principally why we should have extended support and partnership in agriculture. So this is former President of Trinidad and Tobago, Justice Anthony Carmona, planting the first breadfruit tree at this Character Alliance Plant Your Roots project, which is a carbon agricultural sink. Basically, we are trying to plant more trees today on World Forest Day. Perfect. Now you mold it up a little.
We have a hand washing station.
And there's the water next to it as well.
Why not put some water in it? Take it out.
A very important outcome from the World Forest Day activities today was the need for, of course, multidimensional solutions to the multidimensional problems we face in terms of our agricultural society. But more importantly, I found, of course, the urgency of education, because we tend to believe that agriculture is only fixated or circles around farmers, but there's so much more cross-cutting issues we need to address in Trinidad and Tobago, at least, and of course the wider Caribbean region. And I wanted to say that I would want to, on this day, encourage our next generation of learners, even our current public servants and so on, people involved or interested in research, to consider careers in agriculture. There are so many fields available in terms of agribusiness management, entrepreneurship, nutrition and dietetics, human ecology, food production, livestock science, plant pathology. So much is available to us via the University of the West Indies Faculty of Food and Agriculture. And let us look in that direction, because we tend to think policymakers are to blame, or errant behavior in terms of squatting and so on. But we too could, of course, start to retool our society. When we talk about a rethink of development policy and planning in agriculture, of course it calls for re-education, not only of our taste buds, but in terms of our technical capacity and capabilities in the region.